class 3. We are going to study our lesson, My Classroom. In this lesson, we will study about all the objects we have in our classroom. Now, we have desk, we have chair, we can have floor, we can have duster, we can have glass too, then fan or window we have in our classroom, we have door, then tree, we have bags, we all have bags, right? Books. So these are objects we have in our classroom. Now, all these objects, we are going to, with the help of these objects, we are going to study about this and that. What is this? This is used when we have some object near to us. Like this. What is this? This is a chalk. Chalk is very near to me. Okay. And that, what is that? That is a glass. Glass is far to me. So in the same way, what is that? That is a fan. Now what is this? This is a pen. What is that? That is a window. What is this? This is a pencil. Okay. So what is that? That is a door. Now what is this? This is a scale. In the same way. What is that? That is a duster there. Now, okay. Then what is this? This we have chalk in our hand. Now in my hand you can see the chalk. This glass, this object is near to me. What is this? This is a glass. Now when we put there on the table, then we can ask, what is that? That is a glass. So difference is there. Where the objects are near to us, where we use this, and where the objects are far, we use that. So you must have understood this and that with the sentence making formation. These different objects we can, this is the way we can make sentences from this and that. Okay. So now you all have to make sentences. If we say window, it is near to me, so this is a window. If we say fan is far to me, we can say that is a fan. Now again tree is near to me, we can say this is a tree. What is this? This is a tree. Okay. Again bird is far to me, so what is that? That is a bird. Understood? Again, what is that? That is a door. So it is again that. Now you bags, all the bags you have with you. So if you ask, you will say, what is this? This is a bag. It is near to you all. Now if I go far, so if I ask, what is that? That is a bag. Again we connect it with that. What is this? This is a book. So we will do like this. Again, what is this? If I come here to it, this is a globe. Or if I take it with me, what is this? This is a globe. And if I put it there, what is that? That is a globe. I hope you have understood and you make all these sentences and write in your copy and practice it at home. When you have different objects in your home, you go and find out all the objects and make a list and use this and that and write it in a copy, in your copies, and send photos in your WhatsApp group. Bye-bye.